Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix unable to see save Netflix password. So to start, open internet browser. Then from here, click your profile at the top right. Then from here, go to manage your Google account. Now scroll down and go to security and sign in. Then scroll down and go to password manager at the bottom. Next, click the search bar and search for Netflix. So if you see Netflix, go ahead and open it. So you need to sign into your Google account first. Now from here, go to the password field and click the eye icon and you should be able to see your password. Now, the next method, so go ahead and search for passwords. Enter your passcode. Then from here, go to the search bar at the bottom and search for Netflix. Click on the password field to reveal the password. And that's basically it. So I hope you find this helpful. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.